Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to make a quick Pixie style face from sugar paste. I'm starting with a ball of flesh coloured Renshaw's paste with some Tylo powder added. You just want to roll it firmly between your hands until you have a crack free ball. Roll it slightly to a point on one end, a bit like an egg. Then roll your thumb or finger across the middle to indent a channel and squeeze it back in if it fattens it out. I've got two Dresden tools here. One's the standard sharp one in yellow and the other is a softer green one that was part of a Wilton set. As you can see, the white one is quite sharp and harsh and the green is more rounded. The other ends are the same, but the green is slightly smaller. They both have their uses. I'm just using the softer end to mark in either side of the nose and the fatter end to define it. Smooth out any marks with your fingers and pull the cheeks out a bit. Now define the chin. This will create a raised area for the lips. With a ball tool, just mark in 2 dots either side of the raised area. Then join them up with the sharp end of the Dresden tool. With a flat tool or a scalpel, push the top lip up slightly. Now pat in the bottom lip. Smooth down under the nose and then push the lip upwards. You can see them starting to form. Then faff around a lot. When you've finally finished, mark in the nostrils. With the sharp Dresden tool, draw in the eyes, and then with the softer end, slightly hollow them out. To define the chin or jaw, run your finger under it, pushing the excess paste into a neck. You can either keep it as a neck or snip it off with scissors. I'm going to push mine into a little stand for the head to sit on. Hopefully you should have something a little bit like this. For the pixie ears, roll out a teardrop shape and flatten it. Hollow the centre with the soft end of the Dresden tool. Add this to the side of the head and press in the centre to help stick it. Do the same for the other ear. Now take some white sugar paste and roll a small sausage that will fit in the eye socket. Tap this into place. I have some pale blue here for my eye colour. Just add small balls and squash them down. I'm using gel to paint with. This is Sky Blue by Sugar Flare. Just add some to a plate with water to make it more paintable. With a fine paintbrush, just follow the circumference of the blue circle. Next, pull in fine lines towards the centre. Roll 2 small balls of black and place them into the blue. Squash them down into your desired size. My black paint of choice is this one from Rainbow Dust. Also add this to a plate and water it down slightly. Paint around the top of the eye and add the eyelashes. Then attempt the dreaded eyebrows. I can never get them equal. I know people say eyebrows are sisters and not twins, but why are mine always the ugly sisters? Yeah, let's just leave that there before they get even worse. Water down your paint a little more so the black isn't as dark, and then paint partially below the eyes. Finish the eyes off with 2 small balls of white for catch lights. For the lips, I'm watering down some velvet red gel. For her blushing cheeks, grab some pink dust. I've got Pearl Blush Pink by Rainbow Dust and a soft fluffy brush to apply it to the cheeks and nose. Just for some extra Pixie sass, I've added some magenta dots under her eyes. Finally, her hair. I'm using black paste to roll tapered strands in front of her ears. And then a squashed disc of paste to cover the back of her head. For her fringe, there are 2 teardrops flattened in different sizes. Texture them with a sharp Dresden tool. Her bun is a slightly flattened ball, scored a bit like a pumpkin. Stick this on top of her head. And we're done. A face made from sugar paste, with some rather questionable eyebrows, but we'll ignore those. Hope this comes in handy as it was well requested. Come and show me what you made over on Instagram. I'll leave my username on screen. Thanks guys, bye.